Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Pegloticase. Pegloticase is used in the treatment of refractory chronic gout. It is used in the treatment of refractory chronic gout, and this pegloticase can be given intravenously. This pegloticase is a recombinant mammalian uricase. It is a recombinant mammalian uricase which is covalently attached to methoxypolyethyl glycol, ethylene glycol. It is covalently attached to methoxypolyethylene glycol. This pegloticase is actually a urate oxidase enzyme, and this pegloticase is absent in humans and also in higher animals, and thus this in higher primates this pegloticase, because it is a uric acid oxidase enzyme, it converts uric acid and allantoin. This allantoin being water soluble, it can be excreted in the kidney.
thank you and thank you for watching.